Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are definitely drifting down still. We don't have a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level yet. Based on structure, the trend is still up, so we could get a break to the upside and continue the uptrend very easily if it wants to. So going down to the sort of time frames, I think roughly the 2 maybe to 4 hour time frame is giving us the best structure. For me, the structure is right here. If it bounces at a Fibonacci level, goes up and breaks and holds above structure, then I'm definitely going to go back to being bullish the dollar. If it doesn't, even if it does bounce, as long as it doesn't break that structure, I definitely would stay bearish the dollar overall. It could keep on going down. It could give us this daily time frame break of structure. That's why I will just continue to follow the market flow, and the market flow is definitely down until we get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.